If you haven't guessed it already, our episode today is going to be all about lemons. They're not just for eating and making lemonade. There's also a lot of really great benefits that you'll see today. So before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more refreshing content coming your way.
The lemon was pre-cut on about 8 pieces, frozen couple hours in a freezer with the skin. Aloe vera, of course, you washed it, then sharp part of the scissors on the sides, you cut it all, then you cut again on the pieces, and about two like this, pieces of the cleaned ginger. Cut on the pieces and freeze together with the lemons. If you don't have a time you freeze today, you can do it tomorrow. If they after one day, there's no problem at all. So after you put this together, the ingredients got married. It's my lovely expression. And we put about this quality, I would say quantity. We needed 2 glasses of good honey. Honey should be more liquid than hard. Hard is no good. Unless you can just a little bit melt in the microwave. And just like this, so simple. We do by portion. And we're ready to the coming rainy days, autumn, winter. But you're not going to keep this until winter, because you will do this every month, fresh and fresh. This is how you do it. What happened to you, you will see, you will notice that there will be speed up metabolism, definitely. Energy, because there's lots of vitamin C. Just name it, vitamin E, vitamin A. You can put more aloe vera or more ginger. Not everybody take ginger like myself. I wish you, my family, we wish you with my daughter, our family, our channel, very good health, happy days, smile, positiveness, and believe that everything will be okay. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content and don't forget to hit that notification button.